Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain GOJEK app review to see if it's worth using. So to get started, in 2025 GOJEK remained one of Southeast Asian leading super app, offering a ride hailing, food and grocery delivery, counter services and digital payment through GoPay. Its strength lies in versatility, affordability and a smooth all-in-one interface. Users benefit from fast motorbike ride, promos deals, and seamless in-app service switching. The app is especially popular in Indonesia, Singapore, and its recent updates have focused on improving drivers' earning and app usability. However, GoJek isn't without its issues. Some users report frequent drivers cancellation, occasional GPS glitches, and slow customer support. Some also complained about in-app ads and recent platform fee hikes. And here's the final intake. GoJek is absolutely worth it for quick, affordable, multi-service convenience, but service reliability can vary. So it's smart to keep a backup like Grab just in case. So just make sure you have a backup plan. And that's it. Hope you find the video a little bit more helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more app review like this. Thanks.